Installing Fast Flash revolutionary new non-LED flashing. When starting, make sure the roof is clean and dry. Cut the Fast Flash to length and then fold. Remove the backing paper along the folded section and allow adhesion to the wall. Apply the apron flashing to the front profile and form into shape using your hands. The butyl adhesive backing has a 10-minute curing period, allowing time to reposition Fast Flash if required. Once in the correct position, remove the remaining backing paper and gently form the Fast Flash to the roof profile. Slice the corner overlaps using a trade knife, then fold corners and form to the roof profile. Fast Flash is malleable and stretchable, allowing easy folding around corners using hands. Fast Flash consists of aluminium stretch netting cast in environmentally friendly polymer rubber. Apply the side apron flashing using the same installation procedure, being sure to allow adequate overlapping of corners. Once in correct position, again, remove the remaining backing paper and lightly form the Fast Flash into the roof profile using hands. Fast Flash is available in 5-meter rolls of 3 standard widths and comes in grey, black and brick red. Using the same installation procedure, install the side apron flashing on the opposite side of the chimney. Fast Flash is the self-adhesive flashing for any roof project, including skylights, solar panels, ventilation caps, roof valleys, chimneys, dormer windows, and for apron flashings against exposed walls. Remove the excessive Fast Flash at the corners using a trade knife, ensuring adequate overlap. Fold the edge of the Fast Flash around the corner using hands to form a neat watertight seal. Before applying the backside flashing, ensure side apron flashings are trimmed using a trade knife and folded around the rear corners of the chimney, and finally formed to the roof profile. Position the rear flashing, ensuring adequate overlap at the corners. Remove the remaining backing paper and lightly form using hands to form a watertight seal. Fast Flash has a 20-year warranty. For full details of the warranty, go to www.deks.com.au. a professional tradesman-like finish, dress lightly using the Perform dressing hammer. Fast Flash. Easy to install, slower set adhesive, flexible, very workable and environmentally friendly.